Hello, today we're going to go through how to calculate weight using the equation W equals m times g. This follows on from a previous video where we introduced the equation. So let's just read the question. Calculate the mass if the weight of an object is 2.2 kilonewtons and the gravitational field strength on Earth is 9.8 newtons per kilogram. Give your answer to three significant figures. So along the left hand side we've got our strategy. So the first thing is to box the value to be calculated, and then we'll underline the other key information. So I've boxed around mass and then highlighted or underlined the other key information. So 2.2 kN, 9.8 newtons per kilogram, and the fact we need to give our answer to three significant figures. The next box down on the left says write the values. So mass equals m, because that's what we're trying to find out. Weight we said was 2.2 kN, and gravitational field strength, or GFS, we said was 9.8. The next bit says to convert. So do we need to convert? Well, we do, because it's 2.2 kN. The K stands for kilo, which means we need to multiply by 1,000. So 2.2 times 1,000 is then 2,200 newtons. The next step is to write the equation that we're going to use. So we're going to use weight equals mass times gravitational field strength. And directly underneath each of the words, I'm going to write down the values that I've picked out from the questions. Under weight, 2,200. Under mass, I'm going to write m. And under gravitational field strength, the 9.8. Now, we want to find m. So we need a number m multiplied by 9.8 that gives us 2,200. So mathematically, what we need to do is do the opposite of the multiply 9.8. So we need to divide by 9.8. So underneath, I'm going to show you the equation. 2,200 divided by 9.8 equals m. And then in a calculator, I can see that it's 224.4897, etc. Now, we need to remember, once we're calculating the answer, to read the question again. And it said three significant figures, so we can turn that to 224. And the last part of our strategy is to remember the unit. So mass is measured in kilograms. I hope you found that useful, and as ever, please remember to hit the subscribe button.